Unsure what you can see and do at a University of Leicester Open Day? Come with us and we'll show you around.
First things first, when you arrive to campus, head to check-in. You'll be given some information about our open day and how to make the most of it.
Check-in is also a great time to review the programme and plan your sessions. The welcome talk is a great way to start the day.
You'll find out about the University of Leicester before you head off to your subject sessions or join some general talks.
From how to manage student finances, your future career and more.
Still have questions or missed your subject talk? Don't worry, our team is ready to help at our drop-in sessions.
The Student Life Fair is the perfect place to learn more about our student services, clubs and societies.
Explore our campus on a tour and see what's on offer.
Feeling peckish? Head to one of our food outlets and use your food and drink voucher. We've got something to suit everyone's tastes.
Throughout the day, make use of our free shuttle bus, which takes you from Central Campus to Brookfield and the village accommodation.
If you're thinking about one of our business-related courses, make sure you head to Brookfield, home to our School of Business.
Thinking of living in halls? Take a self-guided tour of the city and the village accommodation.
You'll find lots of staff and students around to help guide you and answer your questions.
This is just a little taste of what you'll experience at University of Leicester Open Day.
We can't wait to welcome you to campus soon.